My name is Alex, and I'm here to share with you a vision that is bigger than just me. It's a vision for our nation, for our community, and for our future generation. In the recent past, greed and corruption has been wrecking our society from the inside out. Families are breaking apart due to financial strain. Young people are jobless, struggling to find opportunities. The unemployment rate is at an all-time high. And these are just not numbers. These are real issues that are affected, real people that are affected, real lives, real pain and real suffering. And this is not how God intended it to be. Our relationship with money is broken. And in the Bible, Jesus spoke about finances and stewardship more than 2,300 times. These are more times than he actually spoke about heaven and hell combined. And you ask yourself why. This is because finances are at the heart of our daily struggle. They shape our outlook on relationships, family, career, and at times even faith itself. This is the main reason as to why I am writing a book about finances. The book is aimed at teaching us and repairing the relationship that we have with money and ensuring that we align our resources according to God's will. And that's why I'm writing on kingdom stewardship. The title of the book will be The Steward's Ledger, and it will aim at deconstructing some of the ideas and principles that we have about money, wealth, and success. It will aim at breaking the cycle that we've seen of greed. And the book is not just for Christians alone. Any other person out there that is tired of seeing hopelessness in our societies, lost lives, broken families, and bad relationships with money and wealth, this is a book for you, and that is why I'm selling this vision to you as well as my partner. And guess what? It just doesn't stop with a book. I'm also going to be creating an educational platform that will aim at teaching and guiding both our children and our young adults on ensuring that they have a good relationship with money, ensuring that they know how to align their resources according to God's will, and ensuring that they have generational wealth as well to ensure a continuity in our society. If we plant these virtues in our children's hearts and our young adults, we have better chances of having a better future of people and communities that know God and align their resources to His will. And here's where the real work begins. In the beginning of the year, I was accepted into the Fearless Institute. It's a one-year leadership program that entails training, mentorship, and mission work both in Kenya and Uganda. And to achieve all this and ensure that I also write a book and create an educational platform, I need your support and I need you to partner in me in achieving this vision. My current immediate need is 400,000 shillings that is aimed at 1. Ensuring that I publish and distribute the book titled The Steward's Ledger. The cost in total will be 200,000 shillings. 120,000 shillings will go towards creating an educational platform that will aim at teaching and training our young adults and children on resources and kingdom financing. And 80,000 shillings will go towards mission work, training, and leadership courses both in Kenya and Uganda. Probably you're wondering, how can you aid in this vision? You can make a monthly commitment to support, or through your thoughts and prayers that you can share with me, or also send a one-time fund directed to building this vision. This is asking you to buy into this vision, to create a movement where we believe and trust that with the right tools, we will create lasting impressions both on our outlook on resources, on wealth creation, and how we look at success as a society and as a nation. I have my bet on you. Let's turn faith into action. If you loved the vision and you'd love to give, here are my contacts. Feel free to share with me your thoughts and prayers, or even your resources as God wills in your hearts. Thank you so much.